Is Siddharth Malhotra cheating on Kiara Advani with another person? As per the latest reports, looks like all is not going well between the two lovebirds Siddharth and Kiara. Though the couple never accepted their relationship publicly, but it was quite evident from their frequent dates and appearances together. Everybody knows that these two stars were dating, and even there were speculations doing round that they will soon get married. But as per the present scenario, looks like Siddharth was not happy in his relationship with Kiara. And currently, Siddharth is having a live-in relationship with another person. Yes, the actor is not spending his time with Kiara, but he is living with another girl during these days. Let us find out in the video who the secret girl is with whom Siddharth is having a live-in relationship. Well, many Bollywood stars have moved in with their respective partners during these days. But Siddharth chose not to move with his partner Kiara. He chose to live with another girl. Well, as per the present reports, Siddharth Malhotra is having a live-in relationship with one of his friends. The actor is currently living with Richa Dhar, and they are spending quality time together. As the sources have revealed, Siddharth and Richa are childhood friends and they have great bond between them. Richa is a part of Siddharth's friend circle, which also includes fashion designer Gauri Babbar. And now it looks like Siddharth and Richa has taken their friendship to the next level. Richa Dhar has moved into Siddharth's apartment and staying with him. They are having a gala time and both of them are enjoying each other's company a lot. Looks like Siddharth is in no mood to go back to his girlfriend, Kabir Singh, actress Kiara Advani. As per the reports, Kiara has come to know about this from Siddharth and her common friend. The actress is really hurt and she has decided to end the relationship with Siddharth. According to reports, Siddharth is in no mood to continue his relationship with Kiara, so he is not trying to reconcile with her. Siddharth is enjoying his time with his new girlfriend Richa Dhar and they are having a gala time together. Siddharth already had a not so impressive love life after becoming a mainstream actor. After his debut in the industry, he started dating his co-star Alia Bhatt. But their relationship ended because of the link-up rumors of Siddharth and Jacqueline Fernandez. Later, he was also linked up with Katrina Kaif and their fling was a very brief one. After Katrina, it was Kiara whom he was dating, but now looks like he is in other relationship. So is Siddharth and Kiara's relationship over? Well, only time can tell us about that. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.